What is up, gorgeous? Oh my, look up. Look at you. Look at you. No, me. Look at you. Yeah, this is new merch, Babe Squad honey. And yeah, there is a crown on the hood because, like, why not just be the most extra I can possibly be? I already explained in my last video that I'm doing a contest this weekend, or not a contest, a giveaway this weekend. I'm giving away 3 of my brand new Babe Squad hoodies to 3 lucky people. And if you want to enter, all you gotta do is follow me on Instagram at bradmondo NYC. Comment 2 of your friends under one of my most recent pictures with my Babe Squad hoodie. And then I will be randomly picking 3 of you to receive my new Babe Squad hoodie on Monday, which is tomorrow, 4/2. Yeah. Anyways, so for this week's craziest viral hair video of mine thing, reaction thing video, I'm gonna be reacting to a lot of weird, crazy things. I found some good videos this week. I feel really good about these ones. Yeah, that's all I have to say. So, yeah, let's get it started. So the first video today is by Rainbow Wish Panda. Love the name. And actually this video is unlisted, so I don't know how I got the link for it. One of you guys sent it to me. Thank you. I don't know. Am I supposed to be watching this because it's unlisted? I don't know, but who cares? It's called Cutting All My Hair Off, the biggest fail of 2015. We love a fail, girl. We love it. So let's watch this. Let's check it out. Let's see how big of a fail this is.
My name is Therapy.
Hi.
So I wanted to do something good for others, and I decided to donate my hair.
Oh, we love a little donation. We love a hair donation.
I agree with myself, and I look at it.
With kitchen scissors. We love a kitchen scissor haircut. Enjoy the last moments. Yes, queen. Such a look.
Alright, so I put my hair into 2 ponytails.
That's a look.
I'm actually kind of nervous, but if you're nervous, just do it.
Oh no, she's going straight bob. She's going chin length bob, honey. Oh, with some stacking in the back. We love a stacked bob. Yes, Victoria Beckham. Oh, she did herself so wrong. So wrong.
I want to cut it this short.
What did you think was gonna happen? What did you think was gonna happen when you cut your hair at this length? It was just gonna miraculously be longer than that? Nope, that's not how it works. Ah! It's so bad. She might as well just shave it at this point. Oh my god, she must cut her face off. Oh. No.
It's official. I'm a total idiot.
No. She's getting me like 90s boy band bowl cut right now, and I'm not living for it. And I usually am always living for a bowl cut, but not today. You did. You definitely did a big mistake.
Control this. My mom is going to kill me.
I'm getting kind of used to it now. It's like not that bad when she messes it up. Oh no, the back. Oh, you poor thing.
See you next Thursday.
Poor thing. That's all I have to say. Let's move on to the next video. That was tragic. This one is by It's Black Friday, and it's called Tower Hairstyle Tutorial. We love a mohawk. Our serving. Oh, Luke's. This is like me on a Saturday night going to the club, like full beat. This is what I look like. So this guy is about to teach us how he gets his mohawk or death hawk. I don't know what they're called, honestly. Death hawk?
Yes,
a lot of Lukes in today's video. This is my outfit on a Saturday night. This is what I wear.
Yeah, exactly. Basically the same like
Wow,
this,
a lot of teasing.
nice though. Or George.
No, did you see his wife's or his girlfriend's hair? Or his friend, I don't know what she is.
I can't believe that happened.
Wow. I hope he wears this for like a few
Trying to
days.
get all of the hair so that there is not a piece of hair missing. Maybe once again. So that you can be sure.
He has like nice hair too. Like it's not even that damaged from doing
The
this.
process of styling hair should take like 45 minutes. Thing is, you have to get a bit of practice. You can't expect that it works.
I'm living for his
But
teasing technique.
same
It's,
German
he
people
definitely has
do
experience
this,
with teasing.
Practice makes the man.
Yes.
We love a mohawk. I think that I would honestly rock a blonde mohawk or like a pink mohawk, like a death hawk. I don't know what the difference is. I think like a death hawk is like bigger than a mohawk. I don't know. But like, whoa. Quaking. His technique with this back combing is just beautiful. Just like, God, I want to feel it. It's probably so squishy. Like, is that weird? And this makeup, like, good for them. I wonder where they go to party. I wonder what they do at night.
Give us a 12. Give us a 360.
Wow.
Yeah. Okay, thank you very much for watching. I hope you learned something.
We
if you have any
love
questions, feel free to ask them
them.
in the comments. And we'll
Can we talk about this girl's face? Girl, that is some light foundation. This whole video was just Luke's, and it was a lot for me to handle because there was just so many Lukes in one video, and I loved it. Thank you so much. It's Black Friday for that video. I thoroughly enjoyed it, and you guys look fierce. So, now, onto the Instagram videos. We love a hair video. I keep saying we love. Like, I'm really, like, loving things today. This one was the weirdest. Whoa! Every time I watch this, I'm like, why are you slapping her? Is it supposed to help with like circulation in your scalp? Like, there's no way. And the girl laying down is like not even fazed by this. Is this abuse? Am I watching an abuse video? Should we just move on? I don't know what I just watched. Like, I've seen that once before and I don't, that was, every time. I'm just like, what? Okay, next video. Okay, no, she doesn't want to use the regular, okay, yeah, sure, we can use, those are some big scissors. And we're really cutting this girl's, wow, those scissors actually work really good. Oh. That actually looks kind of convenient. Like, I kind of wish I had scissors that big and just could chop people's hair like that. That was so satisfying to watch, to be honest with you. Like, all those dead ends just gone. Oh, she looks so much better. I wish the purple was like a little more vibrant. Yeah, a lot more vibrant, but like cute. Big change. And those are this week's craziest viral hair videos that I saw floating around the interwebs. I really thoroughly liked the goth one. I mean, it made me want to live my goth life instead of my extra life for like maybe one day or like one night. Maybe I'll be goth tonight. Maybe I'm going out tonight, so like maybe I should do a goth look. Anyways, yeah, it was amazing. Loved it. Loved their hair. I think it was so fun and awesome. And also that poor girl in the beginning, that was a bad haircut. It's really bad. And today's Instagram shout out goes to Linnea. I think that's how you pronounce her name. This is her Instagram name and this is what she looks like. She says, "Hey Brad, I kind of just found you on YouTube and I enjoy your channel so much I already watched almost everything on it. I also really wanted to do something with my hair and I just cut my bangs myself. Do you think I would look good with light gray blonde hair? If not, what would I do?" Honestly, I really like your hair dark. I don't know if I would really like your hair blonde. I personally would rather see you do like a dark purple or a dark blue. I just think it complements your skin tone to have dark hair. I don't know. I think blonde would look dope too, but like, I would rather see you stick with darker colors, to be honest. So let me know if you end up doing anything. I would love to check it out. Send it to me on Instagram. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to live your extra life, okay? Don't ever forget that. And I'll see you all next time. Peace.